Hi, I'm Jose. I'm an intern here at ProBuild Systems. This is my new Ducky Shine 3 keyboard. This is what comes in the box: a Shine 3 user manual, a registration card from Ducky, a key puller, the USB cord not braided, a WASD keycaps, a spacebar with the Ducky logo instead if you didn't want the snake logo instead. This is the keyboard. It features Cherry MX blue switches. It's 10 keyless. My particular model that I ordered is actually magenta because it was the nicest color there. This is the keyboard plugged in. It's very beautiful, especially with the snake spacebar. The different colors definitely gives its own flavor touch. So that was my Ducky Shine 3 keyboard. You guys can leave this a like, comment down below. I honestly don't really care because I'm going to go have fun.
The duck is legit though.
The duck's very legit.